The ultimate cockatiel quiz. How many answers can you get right? Let's get started. Question 1. Where are cockatiels native to? A. South America. B. Australia. C. Europe. The answer is B. Australia. Question 2. What is the average lifespan of a cockatiel in captivity? A. 2 to 3 years. B. 5 to 10 years. C. 15 to 20 years. The answer is C. 15 to 20 years. Question 3. What is the typical size of an adult cockatiel? A. 8 to 10 inches. B. 12 to 13 inches. C. 18 to 20 inches. The answer is B. 12 to 13 inches. Question 4. What is the average weight of a cockatiel? A. 2.5 to 4.2 ounces. B. 4.6 to 5.2 ounces. C. 5.5 to 6.0 ounces. The answer is A. 2.5 to 4.2 ounces. Question 5. How fast can cockatiel fly in the wild? A. Up to 23 miles per hour. B. Up to 33 miles per hour. C. Up to 43 miles per hour. The answer is C. Up to 43 miles per hour. Question 6. Cockatiels are good pets. True or false? The answer is true. Question 7. What is a group of cockatiels called? The answer is flock. Question 8. How often should you clean a cockatiel's cage? A. Every day. B. Once a week. C. Once a month. The answer is B. Once a week. Question 9. Cockatiels can mimic sounds. True or false? The answer is true. Question 10. Which food is toxic to cockatiels? A. Fresh fruits. B. Avocado. C. Sunflower seeds. The answer is B. Avocado. Question 11. How can you tell if a cockatiel is male or female? A. Color of its face. B. Length of its tail. C. Its voice. The answer is A. Color of its face. Question 12. Cockatiels can see in the dark. True or false? The answer is false. Question 13. Which cockatiels, males or females, are usually more talkative? The answer is males. Question 14. Cockatiels can be handled by humans. True or false? The answer is true. Question 15. What body part do cockatiels use to express their emotions? A. Tail. B. Crest. C. Eyes. The answer is B. Crest. Question 16. Which is the most common cockatiel color? A. Pearl. B. Cinnamon. C. Normal gray. The answer is C. Normal gray. Question 17. There are the cockatiels which have no orange patches on their cheeks. True or false? The answer is true. Question 18. Which season do cockatiels breed? The answer is spring. Question 19. How many eggs does a cockatiel lay in one clutch? A. 1 to 3 eggs. B. 4 to 6 eggs. C. 7 to 9 eggs. The answer is B. 4 to 6 eggs. Question 20. What baby cockatiels are called? The answer is hatchlings. How many answers did you get right? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.